Want to know my alternative to Teachable? Let's check it out. Hey, what is up guys? Welcome once again to the channel. It's always great to have you back. And in this video series, I'm exploring why I decided to move all my academy from Teachable to EzyCourses. Now here, I'm going to be focusing my attention in EzyCourses alone. I will not be doing that much of a comparison with other platforms. That will be for the next video, a feature-to-feature showdown between EzyCourses and Teachable. But of course, I'm going to be doing some commentary as I'm talking through this video. It's a platform for online courses, communities, memberships. I like this slogan here, turn your expertise into a scalable business. Now, they will allow you to launch, grow, and unlock a lot of revenue streams. I will strongly recommend you to check out the features right here, guys. But the most important ones are courses, coaching, communities, groups and chats, appointments and booking, membership site, email marketing, and automation. Not only that, guys, you can have a website builder, which is great for landing pages, blog posts, and for sure your course platform. And actually, I forgot to tell you about how I got into EzyCourses, guys, but I got this little message bubble and I started chatting just for the sake of trying to understand the product. I was very transparent with them. I was telling them that I wanted to move from Teachable to a new platform that, of course, I wanted better pricing, but powerful tools, and they were explaining me, and they were kind enough to book a Zoom call. And in the Zoom call, everything got clear, or at least 90% of it. I started adding more doubts, and in the second Zoom call, it was all set. I was for sure knowing that I want to get the pro plan for 2 years. Back then, there was a year time and 2-year plan. And it was great because not only that, guys, when the lifetime deal opportunity came up to me, they respected the previous amount that I had paid, and I only paid for the difference, which is something that you will typically not see in a very corporate company such as Teachable or Kajabi. But of course, so far, I haven't tried the actual tool. I was just hoping that it was great. So the things that were actually moving my heart were clear pricing, the lock-in stuff, the lifetime deal, the migration, and of course, the unlimited stuff. Unlimited courses, unlimited memberships, unlimited storage, unlimited plans, unlimited students. Now, I will be comparing prices, guys, and I will be focusing my attention in the Pro plan first because it's the one that I have, but second, it is the most popular one. I will say the sweet spot between good pricing and awesome features. Now, first things first, remember back then in Teachable, I will have to be paying something around $399 per month to have limited amount of courses, students, mails or admins, and so on. So I hate thinking on limitation. Right off the bat, you have almost a 50% reduction in the payment of Teachable. But what I want to let you know is that the Pro plan in EzyCourses is way much more powerful than any of the plans in Teachable. You have 3 main options: monthly, yearly, and lifetime. Unfortunately, lifetime is only available for the top 2 tiers. I thankfully got the Pro plan for a lifetime deal, which was a game changer, guys. In an age in which you cannot own anything, that you need to be paying for subscriptions, it was really awesome to know that now I own this tool or platform forever, or at least until EzyCourses is live. And that's something that you will not see in any other platform, not in Thinkific, Kajabi, EzyCourses, Teachable, and so on. Remark this: lock-in plans, no future price hikes. So back then when I was checking this, it was 1 year ago, it was I think $39 or $49 per month. If I were to get the monthly plan, I will still be paying that amount instead of this amount right here. Now, if you watch my Teachable video, you know for sure that I really hate how they hike prices for loyal existing customers. So I really think this is quite ethical and respecting of their customers. Check out the actual reviews from the audience. You got a 4.6 value, which in my opinion, for online platforms like this, having more than 4.2 is great, but 4.6 is awesome. I will encourage you to check out the ones of Kajabi, Thinkific, Teachable, and so on. They are, I think, below 4.2 or so. And well, that talks a lot of their reputation with their customer base. Talking of which, you can also get a free migration, guys. I think you need to get the Pro plan or a lifetime deal or or year deal. They have some policies, but definitely take advantage of this. Personally, it was a game changer to know that there will be a team migrating all my content from Teachable to EzyCourses. Now, it sounded great when I saw it, so I was for sure wondering, is this actually going to happen? I'm going to have a dedicated team of people. I don't want to get via email and send random reports or so. And actually, they created a WhatsApp group, and I had a team of at least 4 persons working in my website design, in my migration, in the downloading and uploading of videos, and yeah, essentially it was a very nice experience. Not only that, guys, they added me into a Facebook group which was very active. So this is the formal instructor or customer of EzyCourse Facebook group, and you can see directly that there is the CEO interacting. There's a complete team of people trying to help you, and of course it's always transparent. There are some customers complaining, and you will see everyone trying to solve the problems, all the levels, the CEO, the teams, and even the instructors. So I really love that they were clear and transparent from the beginning. And I can tell you that they are still now having direct contact with me via WhatsApp and of course Facebook. So this is something I really appreciate, especially because I came from a platform that they use a lot of chatbots and AI and mailing ticket systems which are not working at all and takes forever. One of the things that I see that they do great is that they actually take into consideration what customers are asking or looking for. They have this form system that you can ask for whatever you want, and people will upvote for the features. For instance, I was looking for allowing us to upload more than 10,000 students per click, and eventually it went live. So that was great. Not only that, the help section is great. Their guides are great. The tutorials are awesome. It's very clear where to find the information. Sometimes even I get some features that I wasn't looking for but are great. For instance, this tool that will allow LLMs, or let it be AI agents or so, mapping my website, so they will be shown in the AI chat box. For instance, if some student is looking for a course or wondering where to get more information, I will be in their chat reply. Something I wasn't looking for, but you got it. And all these new updates are awesome. I think this is the innovation I was looking for. Now, of course, one of the things that I wasn't considering is using this tool as my main email marketing tool. But when I got it, I saw that I had 50,000 mails per month. And to be honest, I hate having a limit in mails, but I know that this is not a tool for that. So I started wondering and checking how many mails I sent. Sometimes I do send more than 50,000 mails per month, but most of the months I don't do it. So I said to myself, I'm going to be trying out this tool. And because of these guys, I decided to teach ConvertKit, which is also a very expensive tool. So now I am saving money because I'm teaching Teachable, but also ConvertKit. If you want to know more about the finances or how much money I'm saving, I will be preparing a video later on in the video series. But for now, let's stick to the features. Now, the platform is pretty straightforward. You have the left column, pretty similar to Kajabi or Teachable. You have all the relevant stuff, analytics, the website builder, courses, coaching, products, the marketplace, and more importantly, deals and sales and market. To be honest, there are a lot of features, so you may take some time to check out which ones are better for you, the settings, your personal preferences, but eventually you will see that this is a nice website to navigate. So everything from essential plan, so essentially unlimited courses, unlimited pages. You can get your EzyCourse app, which is great. You have it for iOS and Android. Scrum lessons available if you're into migrating, trip courses, communities, automations. This amount of mail is different here, but you have a lot of languages, certificates, students, group chats, and so on. Communities, I really would use only 1 or maybe 2. 5 communities is great to have, of course. Channels per community, if you want to have several channels, for instance, if you're using a process simulation software, I will be using 1 channel for Aspen Plus and another channel for maybe Aspen HiSys. Coaching up to 500 clients. I'm pretty sure I will only require maybe 1 or 2 coaching programs if I will do that. Group chats, 3 currencies. I'm into dollars, guys, but if you want to charge maybe dollars, euros, or your local currency, you can do that as well. Up to 3 languages, so anyone can translate language. So maybe Arabic or Hindi will be a good example. Custom roles such as as affiliates, admins, instructors, and so on. Membership site, advanced quizzes, video libraries, motivation pop-ups, 50,000 emails per month, the affiliate programs, webhooks. This is very important if you want to do some automations or connect something with Zapier or other similar tools, blogs, membership, contacts, and of course, email automation, guys. So definitely quite a chunk of things to check out for EzyCourses, guys. So if this is looking promising for you guys, I will be leaving a link in the description so you can check out EzyCourses for your alternative platform. And of course, with any product, service, tool, or platform, you're going to encounter some disadvantages, guys. And of course, this is the case for EzyCourses. Now, remember that I have been using this for already 4 months, so I can ensure you that these are still a problem for EzyCourse. So number one, when I told you about the migration, they were kind enough to migrate all my Teachable content, but they will not do that for my ConvertKit content, meaning that all my pop-ups, all my forms, all my automations will not be migrated by ConvertKit. To be honest, I didn't push that much towards that because I didn't know that the marketing tool was going to be good. So that will be one thing that you may want to consider. The next point will be the dashboard. To be honest, it's not that friendly, guys. I'm into analytics, graphs. I'm an engineer, so it is not that nice. And actually, I really love the Teachable dashboard. Was simple. Of course, if you wanted to dig into some specific data, it will not be possible. But I think it's something that can be improved in EzyCourses. The important thing is that you can actually download all the data, and I will do magic in Excel to get my desired output of data. But for now, let's say it's just good enough. I told you about the website design, that it was easy to move forums and create websites, but it's really kind of tricky, especially because it is a drag and build platform, but it's not the one that I was used to. But you really need to know a little bit more of how to build websites and drag them and how to make them responsive, aesthetic, and so on. They have a lot of templates, that's great, but it may be kind of hard for many of you guys to get started with the website builder. One of the things that I really hate about this is that most of the things cannot be open in a new tab. Now, if I want to check several students and I want to open their profiles, I cannot just click new tab, new tab, new tab, and have the 10 students in my browser. I need to actually copy and paste, create the individual tabs, and that for me is a definite loss of time. Not only that, this also happens when I want to do some massive changes to courses or to lectures. I cannot simply click and open in new tabs. Talking of which, sometimes I want to try to automate this labor and I will get blocked because I open maybe 20, 40 tabs at a time, and the system will automatically say, hey, you're not human. No one opens more than 20 or 30 tabs at a time. So they will block me. Thankfully, I have direct access via WhatsApp and they will unblock me, but it's something that they can improve. I know that 50,000 emails may sound a lot, but I really hate the idea of, I don't know, maybe having 20,000, 25,000 students or leads and eventually being able to send them just 1 or 2 emails per month, plus all the automations of emails that are being sent to new students. I really think it will be great to have maybe 100,000 or even 200,000 emails per month. I mean, I know that I didn't got this tool for the email marketing, but it will be a very nice to have. To be honest, so far I haven't felt that they are pushing me towards buying new features or tools or products, but sometimes it may happen that I open the add-ons of the website and I really think that they are either crazy prices or very expensive for the things that they are offering. For instance, AI subtitles for a lifetime fee of $1,000. Well, for me, it doesn't make that much sense. There are many tools that will do for free these things, and I don't know if this is something that they do to get extra money from or that they don't want to sell it directly, but there are certain things that I don't like that much. I sometimes feel that they are pushing to sell some extra products. And last but not least, guys, I told you that they were locked in prices because last year when I checked, the monthly fee for the essential plan was something around $39, maybe $49, and now I think it's $55 or $59. And I know that, well, they cannot stick to one price forever, but I really think that because this this is a startup and it's growing and attracting new customers, they may feel the pressure to hike prices maybe every 6 months or maybe every 12 years. So if you want to stick with them, ensure to go for a lifetime deal, or at least ensure not to lose your monthly to monthly subscription. So there you have it, guys. My review of Ezycourses, by far one of the most powerful tools for the given price, and lifetime deals are by far the top things that you can get nowadays. So it's really hard to beat this for the value for money. Also, it may not be the most user-friendly UI, but I will say it's good enough. You don't need more than that. You can learn a little bit more, and I'm pretty sure as time passes by, they are going to improve that. But if you think you are not that tech savvy, you don't know that much about website design or courses, this may not be the best tool suiting your needs. Now, the main features: unlimited students, unlimited courses for a reasonable price, are unbeatable, guys. They are always innovating and creating new features and new updates, so definitely something that you need to consider. And also the philosophy of the company, knowing that the CEO is directly working in the Facebook groups, that I have real humans, people in my WhatsApp replying in less than 2 to 3 minutes, and knowing that they are working to improve the tools for existing customers, for me that is one of the best things that I could get. Now, the final verdict: do I regret moving from Teachable to Ezycourses? Definitely no, guys. I'm loving Ezycourses. I love that there are many features that I want to explore. For instance, webinars, going live, the memberships, coaching, and of course, to know that this will give value to my students. So if you're thinking maybe on moving from an existing platform to Ezycourses, or simply you are wondering to create a new academy, a new online course, or you just want to create some coaching program, memberships or so, why not check out Ezycourses? I will be leaving you the link in the description, guys. On my behalf, that will be it. I'll see you in the next video.
Love is clean and love is pure. And love is a thing that no doctor can cure.